Styling a room around one key item such as a sofa is the perfect starting point for interior design, and we're here to show you how it can be done.
At the start of a design project, it's useful to have a theme in mind, and this helps to focus your design choices.
Today we're at the RHS Hampton Court Palace Flower Show, so it's hard not to take Inspired by Nature as our theme.
We wanted to use a sofa as a starting point for our room, but it's interesting to see how all the little details add up to enhance the look.
For this room we're looking for floral fabrics, gardening inspired accessories, in fact anything that will bring a touch of nature into the room. So these flowers are lovely. I cannot believe that they're not real.
Stylish prints are a wonderful way of adding colour and contrast to a room.
Because our theme is inspired by nature, we've inevitably got lots of greens in here. The picture that Ben found is just perfect.
The way to make a sofa look unique is by adding lots of textiles, throws, cushions, and working the designs and the colours together, but also throwing in some odd elements so that it doesn't all look too set up.
The sofa we chose to work around for this room scheme is the Country Living Gower in walnut leather from DFS.
We've used botanical prints on fabrics. There are some lovely loose painterly designs, but I also love the tighter geometric prints.
The natural material fits perfectly with our theme, Inspired by Nature. It's also incredibly durable, so will age really nicely. And we could have styled it up in a number of ways. The style's very versatile, but we're really happy with the colours and the designs that we've chosen to make it look great.